Hello again, Supernovas. This is your weekly preview, so I'm just going to really quickly go over what you need to get done this week. This week at a glance is in my email along with the video that you're watching, and so you're going to start this Monday, April 6th, and go through Thursday, April 9th. Technically, our spring break starts on Friday, April 10th. Okay, so this looks similar to last week's week at a glance, and it's just suggested of what you should try to get done by what day. So by Wednesday, you should try to get all of the 8.2 notes and activities completed. And then by Thursday, 8.3 notes and activities. And why we're suggesting to have already finished 8.1 and be doing 8.2 and 8.3 this week is so that you can finish the whole geology unit by May 15th. And then when we get back on May 18th, we will start a new unit. Okay, so looking ahead, this week you have 8.2 and 8.3, and then next week we're observing spring break. So you don't have to do any assignments that week if you don't want to. If you want to catch up, that's fine too if you're home. But then April 20th through the 24th, you've got a vocabulary quiz coming up if you want to be studying the Quizlet for that. And then 8.4 and 8.5 notes and activities. All right, so just to review a couple of things, each day you're going to start on the game board. So as far as where you should be at, you should have finished the 8.1 study guide, which is right here on the game board, and then the 8.2 notes are right there. If you can see my cursor right there. So you're moving through 8.2 and you're going all the way around to 8.3, and you can stop before you do the 8.4 notes. Okay? All right, and then I just wanted to show you, this is a sample student Canvas. So I actually went through the module and did the different things. So some of you were asking me, do I have to start at the top? Yes. So you need to start at the top. You need to look at the syllabus and read that. It has all the information. We have a couple of videos for you to help you understand what we're doing if you haven't started yet. If you're doing this completely online, you're going to do the digital notes. If you want to print out the lab notebook like we've done in class and handwrite into the lab notebook, you're welcome to do that. Or there's some in the front office too if you want to pick those up. All right, this video introduces the game board. If you haven't looked at that, please do, because we would have done it a little bit differently in class. And then this is your game board. This is where you're going back to every day to get your activities. Okay, so then you keep moving on. Here's your quizzes. You're going to take quizzes before you take these Canvas quizzes. They are the same thing, but that way you get some practice, and then you come in here and you do the Canvas quiz, and you only have to do it one time if you've already practiced with the quizzes. Okay, now once I'm done with 8.1, remember I'm going back up to my game board, right? And I'm going through all the 8.2 things, okay? Then I come back, 8.2 is now unlocked, and I can take the 8.2 quizzes after 8.2 quizzes and then the 8.2 Canvas quiz, okay? All right, and then I finish all the 8.2 things. I go back to the Quest game board. I do, follow the little path around. I go to 8.3 notes and activities, and then this Canvas quiz should then be open for you to do. So do the quizzes, study guide, and then take the Canvas quiz. All right. And then after spring break, you'll take the List 19 Vocab and STEMS quiz. So those Quizlet and quiz should open for you. All right, so that's the list of what you have here is all of those things to do. And basically it's the same thing that is on the game board. So we set it up basically like if you're a list person, follow the list stuff, okay? If you're not, just follow along on the game board there. Okay, please ask if you have any questions. Email me. I'm happy to answer your questions. I'm going to hold another game session. I don't know if I'm going to do a Gimkit or a Kahoot or a Quizlet Live. We'll do something on Tuesday at 2 p.m. So I'll send out the invitation for that in this email as well. All right, everybody get outside. It's been beautiful weather, so get outside, get some fresh air, and just ask me any questions you need to get help from this, okay? See you later.